tutorial for using portal menu editor to modify portal menu content. The outline include to go through portal menu content structure, the editor structure, and a few guidelines, and then go to the steps to create a new menu node, edit the menu node's text, icon, image, slideshow, and video file. The portal menu content structure is a title. It shows how many peer nodes, the icon, text info, the parent node, and the image. Also, text info can be divided up into multiple child pages if there are a lot of them. The icon will be substituted by the image if icon is not specified. Now it's the editor structure. There's a set of file operation, open, save, close, and so on. A set of menu node operation, add, remove, copy, paste, and so on. Shows the whole portal menu contents map. Icon, title, type, slideshow, video file. The save node button is to save changes, image, and text info. The guidelines, first is to use Chrome browser to log on to the console. The URL is server IP/console, and then see this logon and user and password are content. The site is IP casino. Once you log in, you see a list of consoles. Select menu editor. Once you start doing it, be sure to save changes and close files, which include click Save Node after making change to a menu node, do Save File after making change to the file, do Close File before leaving the console. And media spec, full screen image, ideally resolution is 1080p, which is 1920 times 1080. Size should be 500 kilobytes or less. And the video file, ideally high definition quality or SD is fine, MP4 format. You could also use, it's useful to use Chrome browser to preview the content. Before we do that, we can go through this. So we log in, we'll click on the menu editor. Here is a file operation. This is a save node that we talk about. And this is the showing the using the PC browser to show the content. Okay. So add a new menu node. Click on the menu node. There will be the parent. There will be the parent of the new menu node. And click on an add icon. And enter the name of the new menu node. Say new menu node 1. And just make sure the type is menu node. It is, usually is. And then click on the save node. And that's it. We have a node. We come here. Here it is something we have added previously. We could do it again. So highlight this, do this, and in the new node, say new menu node 2, and save. Then there's a new menu node 2. Start to edit text, image, and icons. To edit text, there is a link on the editor. Say edit. Click on it. See the editor box. Type in the text and so on. And then save or cancel if you don't want to use it. avoid using those icons, those control, which may or may not be consistent with the IPTV system, at least now. And then if there are a lot of text, you could use this control to add or remove child page and use this to navigate child page. Before we get to the image, let's do this. So now we have a menu node 2. We could edit the text. So this is the text info for menu node 2, and then save. It's here. The icon, image. You click on it. These are now browsing the. Now it's browsing the images available on the server. So if I just say this one, you say you want it, it's here. Same for icon. Probably go to image again, and then let's do this using the keyboard up and down. You can browse through it. Just find the icon. Okay, that's whatever, just an icon. So we have the icon. And then be sure to save note for all the changes. Oh, I skip ahead with icon the image. That's that. If there's a need to upload image, then you click on upload. Then you can upload image to the server. Now the edit show, you start with click on the slideshow field, and then there are choices, image, audio, and label. To do the image, then select image. This dialog box happens. You can click on add file, and you will be browsing image file on the server. And as you add to it, you have a choice to add the time, how many seconds it will play. And if images are not are more like a portrait style, you can click on display stretch. You will expand the image to fill the screen width. If the images are not portrait, and therefore it's normal, you could click loop, then you will go to the auto looping. If more images are needed, they are now on the server, click on upload image. And audio is similar. And the label is, if you select label, this dialog box happens. You simply type in the wording for that. So let's do the slideshow here. The image, so I'll do image, then add image. And you can change the time. 3, 5. You can preview the image if you don't remember it, or if you later on you can shuffle the order. You could delete it if you want to. This will delete it, and so on. If you need, and then this is where you could make it stretch or not, and this is where you can make it loop. If you need image, new one, that's upload, and then we do that. So that image is specified. The audio is similar, but we're not going to add audio file here. And then we do the label. The label, for example, whatever is appropriate. And then again, remember to save it. Now add video file. Click on the video file field. Then a dialog shows up. And then click on the select video file drop down, and then go to this way drop down way to browse through the folders and the video files, and select the video files, and say OK. If video file need to be added to the server, click on upload and follow the instruction, which is the video file. Then you have this. This is the upload, and this is This is like a folder, but there's no video file here. But you get the idea. So that's that. At the end of it, remember to save file, and remember to, so file is saved, and remember to, I'm sorry, we didn't do the, oh yeah, and then close the file. The file is closed. If you don't close it, then other people cannot use it. So that's it. And then if we do see the using this, we will refresh it. And then we will under get services. We added previously menu node 1. Now we add menu node 2. And this is the image. And previous, this is a stretch. Okay, that is the first level tutorial of using the portal menu editor to edit portal menu content. Thank you.